Hello everybody, this is Sonia, and I'm on here now again because I need to do another another entry in my challenge, and this is from Avril Plummer, and she lives in New Zealand. Avril is on YouTube. She does really nice things that she comes on and shows us all her lovely work, and her name is Avril Plummer, Plummer. So if you want to go on there and see her things, I'm sure I'm right. I'm sure that's Avril. Look at the colour of this. Isn't this beautiful? Wow. Oh, look at that. And I love the butterfly too. And a beautiful card in here. Look at the bird on it. Wow. Oh dear. So, everybody, you just do know me, don't you? As I keep saying, oh, look at this. Isn't this gorgeous? Oh, look at the bunny. Oh, this has got her information on here. Isn't he? Oh, he's amazing. He is amazing. And this is Avril's information. And she's got a birthday. And she put down what year you were born, Avril. That's very good of you. She loves vintage and shabby chic and mixed media, and she's a very, very clever lady. Look at this bunny. I wonder if you drew him. Isn't he nice? Isn't he cool? Thank you so much. I do love that. Oh, wow. Congratulations on 5 years with YouTube. I love watching your videos, and your sense of humour always puts a smile on my face. Keep up the good work. Love and hugs, Avril. Thank you so much, Avril. This is so pretty. Thank you. Thank you so much, darling. I really love this, and this is all embossed, this gold part. Oh, look at, wow, look at these pieces of fabric. Aren't they beautiful? Oh, look at this. Oh, look, that's pretty, isn't it? Oh, love that. Isn't this nice? Look, at just the right size for a page. Thank you. And so soft. These are beautiful and soft. And this is nice, isn't it? Look at that. Oh, wow. Oh, do love this too. Oh, this is cool. Wow. Oh, isn't this beautiful? Oh, dear, look. Oh, I do love that. Wow. That is amazing. Isn't that beautiful? Oh, dear. You just wanted to sit there and look at that, don't you? And look at all of them. I'll be sitting there and playing with the fabric instead of doing something with it, won't I? As if sitting there patting it. Thank you so much, Avril. These are absolutely beautiful. Thank you so much. I really love them. I do. Thank you, darling. They're beautiful. And I love this bunny. He's gorgeous. Oh, these peepee eyes. Thank you so much, darling. That really made me feel good. Thank you. Okay, thank you everybody for watching. Bye.